Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Above battery so shine, yay, gonna me in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Gusto ni Paris guys siya mag-drive. Do you wanna drive?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Do you know how to drive?
Vroom.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Sunday everyone. Ang ating baby girl ay nandito. Wanna say hi, nak?
Hi.
Say good afternoon.
Auntie.
Ay, hindi pa pala good afternoon guys. It's only 11:56, so it's still morning. Ayan. Nandito kami ni baby girl sa aming kwarto kasi sa lounge room ay sobrang maingay guys. And do you know why? Kasi yung mga kaibigan ni Daddy Mike ay nandito. Nanonood sila ng UFC kasi nga 'di ba Sunday. So there's only 4 of them sa lunch room at parang 10 sila doon guys sa lakas ng boses nila. Sobrang maingay talaga. Ayan. Kaya nagbihis kami ni Baby Paris. Ayan. Si Baby Paris ay naka-shoes na and oh, where are we going na?
On the shop.
Lalayas kami ni Baby Paris guys. Iiwan namin si Daddy Mike dito. Kami ng dalawa. Aalis kami kasi para hindi rin madisturbo si Daddy Mike guys kasi I know how much he loves watching UFC and yeah, gusto kong makapag-enjoy siya kasama yung mga kaibigan niya na nanonood kasi pag nandito si Baby Paris, panay ito siyang lalabas doon tapos gustong makipaglaro doon sa mga tito tapos yung mga tito gustong manood ng ng UFC kaya ilalabas na lang natin itong batang ito. Yan yung ginawa sa akin guys. Oh, ang ating doctor. Oh, there's no more na. We have to go to the shop and we have to buy more bandage, okay?
No.
Yes.
No.
Can you fix this one now? Oh, because I've got, how many have I got here? 1, 2.
No.
Can you count, please?
More.
Ang naong ni Paris. Oh, nabiyaan na to imong papanak. Ikaw, be? Layas?
No.
Layas kami.
No.
Layas kami.
No.
No. Where's your bag, man? Are you gonna bring your bag?
No.
So, ngayon ay pupunta kami ni Baby Paris sa Filipino shop, guys. Kasi, di ba yung Filipino shop is only 10 kilometers from here. And, makakapunta na tayo doon. Bibili tayo ng mga pagkain natin habang may chance. Ayan, kasi bukas, work na naman, guys. So, wala tayong time. And chinek ko before sa website nila, open sila from 11 to 5 o'clock today. So, doon tayo pupunta na. We're going to the Filipino shop.
No.
Are you excited?
No, I don't want you.
Love, look at your face. Ito pala yung aming outfit, guys, of the day. Ayan. So, actually, these jumpers not mine. This is Daddy Mike's. And I really like the color. And since it's very cold outside, guys, it's maximum 12 degrees today. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Pero, ayan. Nak, don't move it, nak. Ayan. Suot-suot ko siya. And then, paired with my Zara high-waisted jeans. And then, my Aran sandal. And this is Paris's, guys. Ayaw daw niyang magpakita. Nak, come on, anak, B. Show your outfit, B. Wow, beautiful girl. Shh, beautiful girl. Hi.
Come, Mommy.
Is that your fish?
Shotito.
Siya, tito ka. Siya, tito. Gusto daw niyang ipakita sa kanyang mga tito.
Come.
There you go. Sabak ka sila dito, guys. Ano? Siya, tito daw.
I'll tell you what.
Okay, it's beautiful.
Be careful, Paris.
We come back.
You come back soon? Oh my God, sobrang ginaw, guys.
Come back. Bye, Mommy.
Bye-bye, Paris. Can you check the mailbox, please?
No.
Check, maybe there's something in the mailbox.
Big
Woohoo! Nothing. Come on. Oh, ayun, anak. Sa silingan, anak. Uy, api lang silingan. Napadakop ka diha. Alay na. Get in the car na. Because it's called brrrr. Brrrr.
Big dinosaur.
Yes. Get in the car, my love.
Are you get happy?
Baby Josephine happy now?
Happy.
Happy! Sabi ni Paris, don't cry, baby Josephine. Paris is here.
It's happy.
She's happy now?
Yes.
Oh, give baby Josephine a kiss. Iniwan kasi nila dito sa sasakyan, guys, kagabi.
Hello.
Kado? Oh. Oh, sing for baby Josephine na. Because she miss you.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Above battery so shine, yay, gonna me in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Good job. Have a look. Very happy si Josephine na. Baby Josephine is happy.
No, he's crying.
We're here, guys.
Mama.
Huh?
Epan.
A pen? Hang on, because it's starting to rain na. Ayan, guys, oh. John Alexander, hindi nyo mabasa. Sobrang bulingit ang ating sagkanan. John Alexander, Filipino, sari-sari store. Ayan. Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Oh, Susie, yes. I don't know if i-allow nila na maraming tao sa loob, guys. Kasi I can see na merong 2 tao sa labas. Siguro pa isa-isa ba like last time. You wanna go down now? Okay. What would you like to buy from the Filipino shop? Say adobo.
Napa.
Adobo.
Tapo.
Chicharon.
Lecha.
Balot.
Grit.
Quick chow.
And teacher.
Pansit.
Pandi.
Canton.
Kandong.
Ikaw sabi pandesal. Pandesal. Ang naong ni Parisyang. Ito yung mga napamili namin, guys. Naka-box. Anak! What's that you're eating? Ay, sobrang mahangin na. Ay, get in the car. Get in the car na. Yes, it's too cold. Ayan, buti na lang may box si ate. Nilagay niya sa loob. Wala, Filipino talaga. O, tingnan niyo yung binili. Go, go, go. Yes, Paris? Gusto ni Paris, guys, siya mag-drive. Do you wanna drive?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Do you know how to drive?
Boom.
Pataka. Do you wanna drive? Do you know how to na? Kabalo ka drive, day?
Mama.
Yeah, kabalo ka drive?
Yes.
Kisa nagtudlo ni mo?
Come on, Daddy.
Kisa nagtudlo sa imo mag-drive? So guys, it's now 1:15 ng hapon and yung gamit ko pala na camera ngayon is yung phone ko kasi nakalimutan ko yung camera natin doon sa bahay. No? Natakot ako, guys, kasi akala ko na may nagkawat ba.
I see.
Tinawagan ko si Daddy Mike, nandun pala sa bahay. You wanna sit down?
Yes.
Ayan. So ngayon, plano ko sana dalhin si Paris sa park bago siya mag-nap and also kung hindi uulan. Kasi it's starting to rain now, guys. Oh. Pero baka mag-stop siya. So, do you wanna go to the park, Nak? Yes? You wanna go to the park?
Yes, the battle good park.
Kiki. Okay. We'll go to the park, okay?
Good park. Tito.
So guys, ipapakita namin sa inyo ni Baby Paris yung mga napamili namin from the Filipino sari-sari store. Ayan. Kasi medyo marami yung napamili natin dito, guys. I paid $86.85. Ayan yung lista ng lahat, guys. So, tita na. So, the first one is Dato puti, suka!
It's juice.
It's juice! Juice daw sabi ni Paris, guys. Ayan, dato puti suka na may mga spices na sa loob. And then, nagbili ako ng Lipa coconut water. Ito talaga yung pinakamasarap, guys,
Try?
na coconut water.
That's your mama?
4 yung binili ko nito, guys. Yeah, mama will try na. And it's 250 each ata, be. Pagkano yung nakalagay? 280. 280 yung isa.
Paparas?
Do you wanna try na?
No. I'm not.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Show them what you're eating, nak.
The lollipops.
Lollipop. Hindi yan Filipino, guys. Yung Elsa na lollipop.
There's a marker.
Pero binibenta din nila sa loob. Sobrang sarap.
Want to try lollipop?
Do you wanna try the coconut water na? And then, I bought tinapa, ligo, 2, aking binili. C2, spaghetti sauce, sweet style.
Hey, toys.
What else did we buy na? Bumili ako ng Spanish bread. Yan.
Baby.
And then, bumili ako ng ito, guys. Turon. Turon is life. Ayan. So, nakaganyan na siya para i-ano na lang siya, i-fry na lang. Sobrang bilis lang ba? 1, 2, 4 packets pala to siya, guys. Ayan. Magkano ba yan siya, nak? Be, ang turon, be. Golden sabaos. $15, guys. $15 itong 4. Nak, imo na po ng tuplo ko, nak. Malubat na po na itong chart at yung battery. And then I got Nova. Dalawang Nova kasi si Daddy Mike gusto niya tong Nova. Piatos. Cheese ring. Mamacitas. Minodo. Adobo mix. Adobo mix. And then we got crispy fry. Crispy fry. What else, Nakbi? Ding dong. Dalawang ding dong. Meron pa tayong Nor, sinigang sa sampalok. May asim pa. And Mamacitas tocino. And then, hindi magpapahuli ang ating magic sarap. Mama showed it already na. So, yun na yun, guys. Yun na yung mabibili ng inyong 86 Australian dollars dito sa Australia, guys. Yun na yung mga pagkain na yan. So, diba last time, sobrang gusto ko na talagang pumunta dito. Pero, it's 10 kilometers away from us. And last week, it was, you know, we're only allowed na magbiyahe within 5 kilometers. So, ngayon na it's 25 kilometers na, guys. Pwede na ako pumunta dito kahit araw-araw pa. Hindi kasi siya malayo, guys. 10 kilometers is not far at all. Ayan. But yeah, that's it. And ngayon, okay lang naman siguro to na mag-stay muna dito sa sasakyan. Dalhin ko muna si Paris sa park ba para maka-enjoy ang ating baby girl before siya mag-nap. Nak? Are you beautiful, nak?
Yes.
Are you Filipino?
Yes.
Filipino. Palangga. Ay, ano pala, guys, doon, guys, ba? Bawal pala yung, guys, children sa loob ng kanilang shop. Sabi ko na lang na, ate, walang magbabantay sa anak ko. Kaya pinapasok nila ako. Kasi children are not allowed. Nak, nga naman, not allowed ang children na kay mamuak. Na, hindi, kay naughty man sa loob ng kuan, ng store. Kaya you're not allowed inside. Ba? Kaya tingalagay ko nung nagbabayad ako, guys. Nag-wonder ako nasan si Paris. Ayun na, nag-ikot-ikot pala, nag-tour pala siya sa tindahan. Ba? Oo, po siya. Ayan. Yung tatay niya, ayun, enjoy na enjoy pa sa kanilang UFC. I'm not too sure. Pag uwi siguro namin, wala na siguro yun sila. Mamaya pa naman kami uwi ni Baby Paris. Pupunta pa kami ng park. Paikot-ikot lang muna kami dito. Mamaya, pag uwi namin, wala. At least, naging happy yung daddy niya today. Kasi alam na alam ko naman, guys, na si Daddy Mike, kahit kayo, alam nyo naman siguro guys, the way na nakikita nyo sa mga videos namin, Daddy Mike wants to spend time and play with Paris all the time guys. And now, gusto niyang manood ng UFC. I'll give that to him. Yung walang, ano ba, walang disturbo sa kanya doon.
Mommy.
You okay? Ang sarap nito guys. Kasi, where is this made na? Made in Philippines ba talaga to siya or what? Product of the Philippines talaga. Ito lang talaga yung coconut water na gustong gusto ko from ever since. The last time na nakabili ako ng ganito was probably year 2012 or 13. So that's freaking 7 years ago guys. And ngayon ko lang to nakita ulit.
Good job.
Mahilig ako sa ganito guys kasi yung bahay namin sa Pilipinas napapalibutan talaga ng mga niyog, mga coconut trees. Kaya every time na gusto naming maglabog, yun yung tawag sa amin sa Bisaya guys. Nagagawa namin kasi sa amin yun. I miss Philippines talaga guys. Very, very much. Gustong-gusto ko na talagang bumisita sa pamilya ko. But, that's very impossible at the moment. Hopefully, sometime next year, no, maging okay na mabumiyahe ba. Kasi now, si Paris malaki na, parang nakikipag-usap na siya, nakikipaglaro na siya. Last time kasi na nandun kami, Paris was only starting to crawl. Hindi pa siya nagsasalita. Pero sobrang ano na niya noon, cheeky. Sobrang palatawanan niya noon. Nak, no? Nak, do you miss Lola, Nak?
No, I finished.
Oh, you finished. Do you miss Lola Vilma?
Pretender.
Do you miss Tita Mimi?
Yes.
Yes, yeah. Na-miss niya Tita Mimi niya, guys. Tita Mimi niya nagbabantay sa kanya palagi before. Ayan, guys. Itong bread na to, yung Spanish bread, ang nagbe-bake nito is yung bakery na Masarap Bakery, which is in Maidstone. And nung doon pa kami nakatira guys sa West, malapit kami sa bakery na to guys. Every time, every hapon pumupunta kami doon, bumibili kami ng pandesal. Yung sobrang init pa talaga ba. It's so good na meron tayong mga Filipino na mga store dito guys, bakeries. Para naman kahit papano hindi tayo ma-ignorante sa ating mga pagkain Filipino. Ayan. Pero gustong-gusto din naman ni Daddy Mike guys, especially yung mga adobo, mga ganyan. Gustong-gusto yun ni Daddy Mike, mga sinigang. He loves it. Yes, my love. Ay, nakalimutan ko ipakita guys. Meron pala tayo ganito. Ayan, suman na malagkit. Ito na lang kainin natin. Nak, do you wanna try this one, Nak?
No. I try.
Pagpila ning suman, Nak, be? Suman. $2.75. $2.75 for this suman.
After that, Mama.
Yes, my love?
Me try.
Have a look.
Chocolate. It's chocolate.
It's chocolate.
It's not chocolate. It's fish.
Unsa?
It's fish. Try it.
Fish. Yummy, yummy, Nak.
Yucky.
Yummy, yummy.
Yucky.
Oh, yeah, anak. Ayan guys, feel ko lang ngayon na nasa Pilipinas ako.
Wait.
Coconut juice, suman. Hala, dalawa na lang sana binili ko na suman guys, no? Masarap siya guys. Kita pa sa background namin guys, oh, Filipino store.
Mama. A seaweed. A seaweed.
Yeah. You wanna try?
See that.
You wanna try?
You like.
Oh, try this one. This is water ba?
Yucky. Yucky.
Mayaki ka karon.
Mama, kaya darusan na naman.
Sarap-sarap guys. Anyways, Tapusin ko lang to guys, and then if hindi siya uulan talaga ng malakas, dalahin ko si Paris sa park na may ibang park guys, hindi yung malapit sa amin, para maiba naman yung environment. We'll speak to you again soon. Guys, buti na lang huminto yung ulan. At yan, nakalabas kami. Andyan pala yung park guys, oh. Hindi ko pa kayo na tour dito sa park na to. Nakapunta na kami dito. I don't think nagba-vlog na ako noon guys. Yan. Yan. Yay! Good girl, Paris. Paris. Hindi na makapaghinta. Wala, ang daming tao. Sobrang daming tao. Whoop! Whoop! Wow! Ano you guys, oh? Sobrang laki ng laruan ako dito.
Like baby Gruffalo.
Yes, honey.
Like baby Gruffalo.
Like baby Gruffalo. Tingnan mo guys. Enjoy na enjoy si Paris kasi sobrang daming bata. Kasi busy kahit umulan. Yeah, bro.
Let's go that way. Let's go this way.
Wow! Beautiful. Umuulan na naman siya, guys. Gawin na slide na. Go that way. Oh.
Baby.
Where are you going now? Come on. Let's cross the bridge. Cross the bridge. Yes. Woohoo! Strong girl. Good job. Well done.
Mommy, this way.
Quick, anak. The sun is up again, nak. Woohoo! Ayan yun, guys. Yan. Di ba parang mga kaso. Ang maganda din dito guys kasi meron silang ganyan. So kahit umuulan siya, hindi ka talaga mababasa ng todo. You want faster, nak?
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Ready, go.
Go! Hold on, Paris! Hi guys! May patreat ang ating baby girl kay good girl siya, oh. What are you eating, nak? What are you eating?
It's natural.
Ice cream! Whee! Yummy! Yummy! Wow! Do you like it? Big girl ni mama, eh. Meron kasing shop sa harap lang ng park, guys. Ayan yung park ko. Yummy, yummy in the tummy. Hi guys! Dito na kami sa bahay ulit. Late na pala siya ngayon, guys. Ngayon lang kami pumasok dito sa bahay kasi here you go. Si Baby Paris ay nakatulog sa sasakyan nung pauwi na kami. And then, hinintay ko na lang siya na magising. And ngayon ay nasa kitchen tayo kasi magluluto na tayo ng dinner natin. But before ko niluto yung ulam natin for tonight, guys, ito muna yung niluto ko. Oh my God! Yes! Ayan. So, nagluto ako ng turon, guys. 4. And then, ngayon, ang lulutuin natin ay basta guys, so ito yung gagamitin ko guys. O, mamasitas, menudo. Ayan. Tapos, naggutad lang. Gutad talaga. Ng meat. Ayan, pork. Tapos, ang ating baby girl dito ay nagsisinamok. Oh!
Mommy, Mommy,
It's not working, is it? Here, have a look. Like this, oh.
Okay.
Wow! Ayan. Tapos, magluto tayo ng rice. And then, that's it for our dinner, guys. Kanina pa pala umuwi yung mga friends niya. Ay, nakatabingi man to eh. Kanina pa pala nakauwi yung mga friends ni Daddy Mike. Mga 2:30 na tapos yung UFC nila. And then, yeah, si Daddy Mike na lang dito mag-isa sa bahay. There you go. Ayan, na 7 o'clock, guys. And naluto na ang ating ulam. Oh my God, I can't believe. Sobrang sarap niya. Tingnan, guys. I'm super proud of myself. Pagkita ko sa inyo maya-maya, guys, ha. But I'm just going to share with you the positive quote of the day, which is that every day in every way, I am getting better and better. Yes, that's right. That's me in cooking, guys. I'm getting better and better. Char. Salamat sa mamasitas. Pagkita ko sa inyo, guys, quickly. So, ayan na siya, guys. And then, luto na rin ang ating kanin. So, maghain na tayo para makakain na ang family. What is that, anak? Is it a postcard from her? Tingnan yung ginawa niya, guys. O, nilabas niya lahat ng laman ng door. B? Show mama, B? Show mama? Is that for you? From who? Wow, so cute. Ay, pakita ko lang pala sa inyo yung guys, yung plant natin. Sobrang laki na ng leaf. O, diba? Hi guys, it's now 9 o'clock ng gabi and ipapatulog na natin ang ating baby girl. Nabihisan ko na siya. Ayan, oh. Nanonood lang ng kanyang iPad for a little bit and then, yeah, I'll get her to sleep now, guys. And Lunes na naman bukas. Work na naman tayo. Oh my Lord. Anyways, maraming salamat sa always na panonood ng ating mga video. Maraming salamat sa pag-like, sa pag-comment, and also sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Welcome sa inyong lahat. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung channel natin. And ngayon ay mag-shoutout lang tayo. And the first shoutout goes to Madel Andaliasa, Mary Vic Balcorza, Cora Tagapulot from Cagayan de Oro, LV Real, Sally Saminiano from Bicol. Shout out daw sa Saminiano family. Shout out to Janzi Pinay, Australia, Vicky Inut, Rinar May Rica Huerta, Susan Areza, Gladys Mandanhuyan. Shout out to Aida Gamboa, Myla Alonso, Rosine Marquez, Maria Rompen, Lisel Cataylo, Mitch Cantumayor, Shirley Cirillo, Liza Salameda, Geraldine Billones. Shout out to Yeth Balino, Abby Essentials / Shopee. Shout out to Mela Pinaranda, Summer 76, Edna R, Restine Santos, and Aida Salon. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, don't forget to be good. And if you can't, anak. Ayaw. Be careful, guys. Bye. Mwah.